Hi guys, back on another video and today we have FIFA 22 Ultimate Team pack opening. You can like, subscribe and comment, we're very appreciated. So yeah, there we go. This is it. Wonder what we get today. Oh, nothing special, but we will be opening them. So yeah, here we go. Dun, dun. Got a walkout, Killer Navas. Decent. That'll do. Callahan, Dingy, Sabizzo. Decent. We'll take that. These are just continual, so we're just going to sign off, guys. There we go. That's nothing. Not so enough, okay. So, Gabriel Jesus. No, no bad. Not too shabby. We'll just put it up for soon, see if it goes like that. Aye, no bad. So we go again. This is a non-rare. Probably Chad or something. Yeah, it is. That one, there you go. Here we go. Arnold. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Right. This is the last one. There we go. Hopefully something decent. Spanish Cam. Luis Alberto. No bad. Is he off in maybe a wee bit secondary with my packs? Is he capped or something? Yes. So aye. What's this? Oh, you can see the old packs. Just leave them there because they're boring. Aye. There's a premium level 10. It's not bad. No qualified yet in that. Let's see. This is the team. Griezmann. Is he tradable? No. Is he tradable? No. No. Let's see what we got then. Navas, Dingy, Callahan, Leon Bailey. Not bad, not bad. Aye. So, you can like, subscribe, and comment. We're very appreciated for more FIFA 22 content. If you like it, obviously drop a like. Thanks for watching. Peace.